Welcome to the Glowing Name Tags experiment. Before you begin, make sure you have all of the required materials. You need a 3-volt coin battery, an LED light, paper clips, a glue stick, copper tape, a pen or a hole punch if you have one, a pair of scissors, and the experiment template.
Make sure to perform this experiment as a team of parent and student.
Let's begin. First, you're going to fold the paper of the template from the center along the double dotted line so that the circuit and the bulb are on outer sides. The side with the picture of the happy light bulb is the front side. Write your name near the bulb and decorate the name tag on the front side as you please. After you're done decorating the front side, flip it over. Now you're going to fold the back side of the sheet along the dotted line in the corner. Make sure that the folded sheet that you're folding up sticks up into the air rather than folding in and under. Now, using a glue stick, stick the folded sheets together, but make sure not to stick the small folded part. After you're done gluing it, use a hole punch or a pen to make a small hole at the center of the picture of the bulb. Be careful in doing so to make sure that the hole is not too big. Now you're going to get the LED light into the paper by making sure that the 2 prongs go straight through and the LED light is on the same side as the light bulb. After you do that, you're going to flip it over. You're going to twist and bend the LED legs so that the longer leg extends upward toward the positive sign and the shorter leg extends downward toward the negative sign along the gray line. After you've done that, secure the legs of the LED using small pieces of copper tape. Use scissors to cut the tape to the appropriate size. Make sure that it is the same length as the gray box. After you have finished putting your copper tape all around, it should look like this. Make sure when you're laying your copper tape that you press firmly and that you keep it so there aren't any bubbles. Make sure that the tape lies flat around the lines. Now you're ready for the battery. You're going to place the battery on the circle with the minus side face down. Make sure it's sitting on top of the copper tape. Now you're going to fold over the flap. Make sure the copper tape sits on it. You should see the LED light going already. Secure the battery in place with a paper clip. See what works best for you. You can do 1 paper clip, 2 paper clips, or you can use some tape to hold it in place. When you're placing the tape, make sure to place it on the battery, on the flap, and on both sides of the paper. This will hold everything down and in place. Now you have a completed name tag. You can keep decorating this and wear it proudly. Thank you for watching this STEM at Home step-by-step experiment video. Be sure to check out all of the other helpful experiment videos on the website from Bayer and National PTA.